Right, today we're coming off this original boarding. Saves ripping it all up and splitting out the ceilings. We've added a bit here and there using our CLS over. Layer of insulation between and board over. Gonna put that pipework over the board and insulate the rest. Close boarded loft this. Screws to the battens, about 2/3 of the way down at an angle. Bracing some of this up because it's a very uneven floor. Bit of a nightmare this one. I've had to brace up everything. The floor's so uneven. Insulation still got to go in. Very difficult start. Took about an hour and a half just to get these battens down because the floor's so uneven. But we're into it now. Just laying around the hatch out to the tank. What we're doing today is we're following the ring beam round and doing it inside the ring beam. All the pipework's laid on top. Old tank system with a header tank above. What's called a place boarded loft with a lining underneath. Chimney's in good condition. No signs of any water penetration. Someone's in the football. Insulation at 170 mils got to go over there. Big extension through there, which is already insulated. £70p? I need £2.70. Not one bloody 70p. How friggin' today. Oh, that's just me. Okay, when you're insulating, leave at least a good inch gap. A good inch gap around the eaves. Let the airflow go around. Using a 170 earth wall on this, all the way around the boarding. There you go. Number one done. This one was a bit of a bitch, to be honest. All the floor was very, very, very uneven. All the water pipes laid on top. And cut around all the braces. 20 square meters in the middle, and the rest of it insulated to 170. always have a go yourself for your own loft, see how you get on. I will give people advice if you message me. There you go, see you next time. Please like, please subscribe, if you'd be so kind.